Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to change personal account to professional account on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone, and on the lower right side click the profile icon, and on the upper right side click the three lines icon and go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll down and you see for professionals, click account types and tools. Under account type and tools, click switch to professional account. Then you will be routed to some steps on switching your account from personal to professional account. Just click next and then you'll be routed to an options that says what best describes you. You can choose any of those suggested profession below, and then after that just press done, and you can display your selected profession on your profile too by swiping to the right side on the option above. Just click done after that and click next, and that's it. Your Instagram account will be switched to a professional account. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.